What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to toggle your user interface in Lost Ark. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While playing Lost Ark, use the shortcut Alt and X. The first time, you will toggle your minimap off, as well as your top left menu. The second time, everything besides your hotkeys and health bar UI will be disabled. Lastly, when using the Alt and X shortcut a third time, all of your user face will be disabled until you toggle it back on. Open up your in-game settings. In the Hotkeys tab, navigate to the Others section, and here you can preview all of these hotkeys, including the shortcut and cursor hotkeys. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.